Hi everyone, I'm gonna go through the equation of a line today. So pretty much the equation of a line is the rule which connects the x and y coordinates of all points on the line. So meaning this, so it does connect all points. So if I have here point on the line, so it connect x coordinate and y coordinate. If I have another point here, so this is our x coordinate and our y coordinate. The commonly written equation of line is either in gradient slope, so in gradient slope intercept form, which is this one here, so y equal to mx plus c, or in general form ax plus bx equal to c. What we need to remember that this small c and capital C, they are not the same. So they may have the same value, depends on an equation, but it doesn't have the same meaning. This small c, actually it means it's the y-intercept, so it's this point here, and m represent the slope, so it's steepness of this line. So it's easy to go from one to another, so pretty much we just have to rearrange and then it will be converted. To find the equation of a line, we need to know either its slope and at least 1 point on the line or 2 points on the line. So before I start with the question, just to remind you that slope, it's going to have here slope, which has notation m, small m, of a straight line passing through a point that has x coordinate a and y coordinate b is equal to m equal to y take away b and x take away a. So now I'm going to go general form of a line. So this example here, the example, so the first one that I'm gonna do is where slope is given. So let's have slope m is equal to 3 and point is given, so point is -3 and 4. So this is like point, this is a and b. Here on the side, I'm just gonna write m equal to y take away b and x take away a. So let's start substituting and replacing. Instead of m, we're gonna have 3 equal to, then we have y take away b. Our b here is number 4 over x take away, and then take away -3. So it's -3 there, so just to remember that. So it's -3, and the next line simplifying a little bit, so it's gonna be negative plus 3. So number 3 is the same as 3 over 1, so I like to use cross multiplication, so I have many students that said it's much easier, so and I'm gonna stick with that. Cross multiplication is cross multiplying numerator on one side with denominator on the other side. So y take away 4 times 1, so you can have like 1, but it doesn't make any difference, equal to 3 times x plus 3. When we expand this, is going to give us this, okay, multiplying everything inside by 3 plus 9. And now we want to have in slope intercept form first, so we're going to move anything and everything that's on this side that we don't need. In this case is -4, so moving to other side, pretty much it means we're just going to add here plus 4. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do it to the other. So therefore, y is equal 3x plus 30. So this is in slope intercept form, equation of tangent, equation of the line, slope y-intercept form, so equation of the line. However, if you do want this equation to be written in general form, so we can just go from here, make sure that all x's and y's are on the same side. I'm just going to rewrite this. Y take away 4 is equal to 3x plus 9. Now I'm going to move 3 x's to this side, which means I'm going to take away 3x because I have positive, take away 3x. What I'm going to end up with is negative 3x plus y equal to 9. I still have 4 on this side. Okay, let's move 4, negative 4. I'm going to add here, okay. Let me just erase this line, okay. So, yep, so what are we going to be left with? Negative 3x plus y take away 4 equal to 9. So you don't have to have so many steps, but yeah, I'll just include few. So now we have negative 4 on the side where x's and y's are. So to get rid of that, cancel out pretty much, you just plus 4 both sides. So we're going to end up with negative 3x plus y equal to 30. So this is your general form. So general form. So I don't have enough space here. Okay, let's see. Okay, general form. I'm just gonna move this a little bit. Okay, so general form. I'm just gonna write here. So, and that would be pretty much it. I'm gonna record one more video where 2 points are given and we have to find an equation offline. Bye.